Hi, I'm Jonathan Town from Notman Pasture Seeds. We're here at 1499 Hopkins Highway, Purnim, just north of Warrnambool. It's our main base of operations in the Western District, and it's also a site where we do demonstrations and evaluations of pastures and other crops. We're really excited to be hosting a field day on the 19th of February, which is this coming Wednesday. Arrival time from 10:30 for an 11 o'clock start. We're going to finish off the day at 1 o'clock with a sausage sanger put on by the Lions Club, and we're really excited to be sharing a lot of great news with you guys. We've got a forage rape that's coming to market. We've got a new grazing tolerant phalaris, and we've got pre-commercial maize varieties behind me. We also have 3 new perennial ryegrasses that we're announcing, and a new novel endophyte, CM142, that we're really excited about. There'll be door prizes on the day as well. We're excited to see you there.